The popular format to consume content on social media platforms has changed several times in the last few years, which can make it difficult to remember all the new quirks about the current format. Now, I'm sure you've done something like this too, where you spend a bunch of time working on an Instagram reel, a TikTok, a YouTube short, and you post it only to find out that you have valuable information or text that's lying behind the description or all of the icons that are on the screen, only because you forgot that those things exist on the screen once you click it open. And this is especially embarrassing when you're being paid by a client to make them a great TikTok or Instagram reel, what have you. Now, with all that in mind, I create a solution that I'm going to personally be using on my future Instagram reels and TikToks, and that is basically just a template. This template shows me exactly where I shouldn't be putting valuable information, and I've listed it for free on my website. You can get a link down below in the description. So when you're editing your video, you just keep that PNG on top the entire time so you can see where not to put valuable information, and then when you're gonna go export it, just get rid of that PNG. So if you like that template, consider subscribing. I often put on new free products on here, as well as share a bunch of helpful information for video creators and visual effects artists. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you on your reels and TikToks and shorts in the future. If it does or did, leave me a thumbs up, comment what you thought down below, and then once again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.